Fellas, in your 30s, 40s, and even 50s, and you feel like your brain is stuck in first gear, you're not alone. Trouble concentrating, constant fatigue, and forgetting simple things. Yeah, it's not just burnout, it's brain fog. And here's the kicker, it's not just in your head, it's in your hormones, inflammation, sleep, and even what's on your plate. I'm Neighborhood Doc B, a community and family medicine doctor, and I'm breaking down what brain fog is and exactly how to fix it. And stick around to the end because I'm going to give you 10 unique strategies to boost mental clarity. Let's get into it. So Doc, what is brain fog? It's actually a cluster of symptoms: mental fatigue, low motivation, poor focus, slow thinking, and forgetfulness. It's not a medical diagnosis, but it is real and you definitely feel it. It affects executive function, working memory, and processing speed. Common in millennial and Gen X men who are juggling jobs, kids, aging parents, and metabolism isn't what it used to be. And here are some hidden causes. Chronic stress, which leads into cortisol dysregulation, which then leads into hippocampal shrinkage. Sedentary jobs, which leads into less BDNF and neurogenesis. Poor sleep, which leads into reduced lymphatic clearance. Ultra-processed foods, which leads into blood sugar spikes plus inflammation. Declining testosterone plus metabolic health decline, and exposure to environmental toxins, plastics, metals. When I was burning out in residency, I would drink multiple cups of coffee, energy drinks, and still feel like my brain was underwater. I didn't realize my blood sugar and sleep were wrecking me. I would also pull all-nighters in medical school, not realizing it was wreaking havoc on my brain health. Here's the science behind chronic inflammation and brain fog. Chronic low-grade inflammation increases IL-6, TNF-α, and CRP, but it disrupts neurotransmission and BDNF. And then we have microglial activation, which equals brain inflammation. And then we have gut-brain axis, leaky gut, endotoxemia, brain fog. And here's a mechanism recap. Inflammatory cytokines block neurotransmitters. Cortisol blunts hippocampus plus memory centers. Inflammation weakens blood-brain barrier, which leads into brain vulnerability. Here are some daily factors that worsen brain fog. Blood sugar, glucose roller coaster, brain crash. Dehydration, 1 to 2% of dehydration impairs attention. Poor sleep impairs detox, hormone balance, BDNF. And here are some quick tips. Protein plus fiber first at meals, electrolyte water every morning, and sleep schedule consistent plus screen-free wind down. Here are 10 unique strategies to boost mental clarity. Number 1, adaptogens like ashwagandha and rhodiola lowers cortisol, increases focus. Number 2, morning sunlight plus walks. It resets your circadian rhythm and improves dopamine. Number 3, dopamine detox. Reduce scrolling to reclaim your focus. Number 4, strategic caffeine use. Delay 60 to 90 minutes after waking plus pair with L-theanine. Number 5, nootropic foods. Wild blueberries, eggs, and dark chocolate. Number 6, resistant training. Boost testosterone plus BDNF. Number 7, minerals. Magnesium, zinc, sodium, potassium equals neurotransmission fuel. Hormone check, low testosterone, increased cortisol equals foggy brain. Number 9, brain training, apps plus meditation to sharpen focus. Last but not least, number 10, gut focus, fermented foods, fiber, and probiotics. Let me walk you through some testing and diagnosis. For blood work, I would consider CRP, which shows signs of inflammation. If you're considering insulin resistant, I prefer C-peptide over insulin because insulin does get metabolized through the liver. The other types of vitamins you can consider is B12, vitamin D, and also you can consider magnesium. For hormones, you can do testosterone checking, ideally before 10 a.m. because that should be your peak testosterone level. If it's low, it's definitely low. But sometimes you will require additional testing, so you can do total and free. You can also check cortisol and DHEA. I would also consider a thyroid panel, which is like a free T4, T3, and TSH. And if you're seriously having cognitive issues and brain fog or forgetfulness or just memory lapse, there are some cognitive tests you can do. One of them is called the MOCA. I would also look at if you're having some problems sleeping. So if you're having apnea attacks at night where you're kind of gasping for air because your airway's closed, I would consider doing a sleep study to rule that out. As a bonus, I'm going to include a blueprint of how to clear your mind on the screen, but also I'm going to include it in the description below so you can read it at your own time and look and see if it jives for you. I'll also have a 7-day metabolic reset guide if you want to download. Just look in the description below to get more information about it. Brain fog doesn't mean you're broken. Your body's sending you a signal. And the good news, you can recalibrate. 1 meal, 1 night of sleep, 1 workout at a time. And I'm here to walk you through it and guide you through it. Like plus subscribe. And please, I want you to drop 1 comment below about 1 habit you want to do this week to clear your mind. And don't forget to grab that free 7-day reset guide that's down below. And just a sneak peek, I'm going to be creating an online course related to all this information. So stay tuned. Talk to you soon. Get the setup, Mama. Say hi to the camera. Say hi. Right here, Mama. Hi.